What if I told you that great coffee could be made in just minutes? Meet the Keurig K-Mini Plus coffee maker, your perfect brewing companion. With its sleek design, this compact coffee maker fits easily into any space, less than 5 inches wide. Enjoy brewing 6 to 12 ounces of your favorite drinks, from coffee to tea and even iced beverages. Want a bolder taste? Just hit the strong brew button. Plus, it comes with a 12-Oz stainless steel travel mug designed to sit effortlessly under the machine. Easy to clean and perfect for on the go. You'll never have to settle for mediocre coffee again. Ready to elevate your coffee game? Order the Keurig K-Mini Plus and start brewing your perfect cup today.